the way we are trying to give you the education, not only the certificate, we giving you the lot of the other extracurricular activities while you study in the Daffodil International University. Daffodil student never will say that I am the graduate from this university. Rather, please tell to your employer what skill you learn while you study to this university. Because the employer don't like to get only the education, they always like to say what skill you are learning while you study to the university. Either you need to be entrepreneurial minded or you need to be entrepreneur. If you don't like to become an entrepreneur, please you like to be entrepreneurial minded. If you become an entrepreneurial minded, no one can stop you. I can give you the challenge. If you have the entrepreneurial mindset, if you have the doers mindset, if you have the leadership mindset, I'm quite confident that the industry will like you, love you, respect you, and giving you the opportunity. Congratulations to all of our beloved students for your convocation ceremony. And I must show my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest and also the Honorable Advisor, and my humble gratitude to our convocation speaker. And we are really grateful that today with us in this 12th convocation ceremony, Honorable Rector and Honorable Professor starting from Turkey, Kyrgyzstan, Japan, Nepal, Malaysia, and a lot of other countries. So thank you very much for joining with us. And of course, our honorable faculty, our honorable Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellor, and all of the distinguished faculty. This is a wonderful day for all of you also, because you worked very hard for producing your student and to come to this convocation ceremony. So I like to humbly request to all of our students, can you please stand up? So all of the students, please show your respect to your parents, left side and right side. You just show your parents who are really took the responsibility and work hard for bringing you or coming to this position. So I must salute to their parents on behalf of you. Thank you very much. Please sit down. I know that today, as we are also proud for your graduation ceremony, at the same time, I know that your parents, those who are sitting left and right and in the back side, I think they know that how proud they are because you are their star. They work very hard for bringing you in this position. So I hope that as Daffodil International University always love to show the respect to our parents, I hope that you will continue your respect and your gratitude to your parents. You will realize only when you will be parents once upon a day. Then you will realize how emotional and how the feelings is going on of your parents. And you know that on behalf of the university, I like to say that please try to prove your skill what you learn in this university. It is your time to prove your skill when you will appear to any interview, entrepreneurship, or your next journey. Please don't waste any single moment. From tomorrow, you must not waste any single moment because time is very important, which always I love to say, lot of things you can maybe get back, but time you never can get back. So please utilize your time. Be a proud member of your family, proud member of this society. And you should realize that whenever you will going to meet with your career, your future life, there may be a lot of obstacle, there may be a lot of failure, there may be a lot of criticize, but please don't stop. Move on your own way, and of course, you will get your success. Because the way we are trying to give you the education, not only the certificate, We giving you the lot of the other extracurricular activities while you study in the Daffodil International University. So this will be your responsibility to prove your efficiency. And as we always love to say, today is your graduation ceremony, but at the same time, you are going to our proud alumni. You are going to our proud ambassador. So please keep in mind, if in any cases you are facing any problem to establish or get right job or right career, please don't hesitate to communicate with us. We develop a lot of these resources for all of you. We developed the international IOU.ac. We developed the goedu.ac. We also developed a fantastic portal, knowledge portal for forum.daffodil.varsity.edu.bd, where is a million resources there. So whenever you are going to face an interview, if you ask to the forum, all of your career related, all skill, all guideline, you will get it in one click. So don't miss it. Because if you are not getting a job, if you are not making your life is successful, as your family will feel bad, at the same time, we will also not feeling good. So I hope that you should proudly represent your skill. I love to say that the Daffodil student never will say that I am the graduate from this university. Rather, please tell to your employer what skill you learn while you study to this university, which will be the important for nowadays, because the employer don't like to get only the education. They always like to say what skill you are learning while you study to the university. So I also love to say that in your convocation souvenir, I myself wrote one book for your entrepreneurship skill. I hope that please go through these books whenever you are getting time, in the leisure time, traffic jam, or your mentality while you are getting some upset. Please try to go through my books, because why I am giving every student one books, because either you need to be entrepreneurial minded or you need to be entrepreneur. If you don't like to become an entrepreneur, please you like to be entrepreneurial minded. If you become an entrepreneurial minded, no one can stop you. I can give you the challenge. If you have the entrepreneurial mindset, if you have the doers mindset, if you have the leadership mindset, I'm quite confident that the industry will like you, love you, respect you, and giving you the opportunity. But if you ask to the industry or employer, give me a one job, I think the industry will not like you. Rather, you should tell to the industry or employer, give me a work, I like to prove myself, what skill I learned in the Daffodil University. So, my dear student, I know that you worked very hard for getting this recognition today, but again, of course, your success, your parents' happiness, your society happiness, your future happiness should be the one of the key destination of our university. And I don't like to prolong my speech. Rather, I love to say again, please come to your university, be the bondings, keep the bondings, because this networking is one of the very powerful tools. If you can keep relation to the one to another, I am sure that if someone not getting the good job, maybe your other friend will help you to find the right job or right opportunity for you. So, as we always give you the lesson, trying to make you understand, giving you the motivation to keep the relationship, keep the networking active and on. And our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, also always love to see the networking and the team development. So before my conclusion, again, I emphasize, please keep your networking on, keep your relation on, and keep your confidence on, so that you can make your family's proud star and our proud alumni. Thank you very much, and wish all of you good luck. Assalamu alaikum.